Okay, so this is for mounting the headrest to a carbon seat, which is the only seat it works on. So the first thing I do is I mark my top holes, which, as you can see, that's roughly, 42, but you can be like around 45 millimeters will work good because you have a lot of adjustment in the headrest. And then what I use is I use a 1/4 inch drill bit to just drill those out. Try to keep them, center them up between the two ribs there. And you want to drill those out. Usually what I'll do is I'll drill those out. I'll mark them with like a pen, and then each hole, which is this is the bottom hole, like stick a magic marker or something down there. But you really want to make sure and get them centered because the threads, they screw into the threads on the headrest. So after you drill these out, that's the hardest part of all this. Everything else should come together. If you need to enlarge the hole a little bit, if you're off, you can see on this bottom hole I had to enlarge a little bit to make it work. But essentially, you can do that if you need to make a little wiggle room because as you can see on the headrest here, see how they screw in? So those screws will go on the front and this is on the back. So this one actually just fits just like that. And then the screws come in from the other side and screw into the actual headrest. So pretty simple, but if you have questions, let me know. And again, that's an 1.25" drill bit is what I'm using on that, and roughly 45 millimeters down from the top.